Hello everyone, welcome back to Progress in English. In today's video, we are going to take a present continuous tense quiz. Let's begin. Question 1. Look, she dash a song. The correct option is A, is singing. Look, she is singing a song. Question 2. I dash TV right now. The correct option is C. Am not watching. I am not watching TV right now. Question 3. Dash they playing football in the park. The correct option is R. Are they playing football in the park? Question 4. He is dash fast in the race. The correct option is B. Running. He is running fast in the race. Question 5. We usually dash to school by bus, but today we dash. The correct option is B. We usually go to school by bus, but today we are walking. Question 6. She dash her homework now. The correct option is C. Isn't doing. She isn't doing her homework now. Question 7. Dash you coming to the party tonight? The correct option is A. Are you coming to the party tonight? Question 8. The baby dash right now. The correct option is C. Is sleeping. The baby is sleeping right now. Question 9. They dash cricket today. The correct option is A. Aren't playing. They aren't playing cricket today. Question 10. I can't talk now. I dash lunch. The correct option is B. Am eating. I can't talk now. I am eating lunch. Question 11. She dash the answer. The correct option is B. Knows. She knows the answer. Question 12. He dash his doctor this afternoon. The correct option is C. Is seeing. He is seeing his doctor this afternoon. Question 13. We dash English now. The correct option is A. Are studying. We are studying English now. Question 14. She dash pizza. The correct option is C. Doesn't like. She doesn't like pizza. Question 15. He dashed the car at the moment. The correct option is A. Is fixing. He is fixing the car at the moment. Question 16. We dash a great time right now. The correct option is B. Are having. We are having a great time right now. Question 17. She dash any book these days. The correct option is B. Isn't reading. She isn't reading any book these days. Question 18. What dash you doing at the moment? The correct option is C. Are. What are you doing at the moment? Question 19. They dash a movie tomorrow night. The correct option is A. Are watching. They are watching a movie tomorrow night. Question 20. He usually dash black shoes, but today he dash white ones. The correct option is C. He usually wears black shoes, but today he is wearing white ones. Question 21. My teacher dash to another student now. The correct option is A. Is talking. My teacher is talking to another student now. Question 22. Listen, the birds dash. The correct option is B, are singing. Listen, the birds are singing. Question 23. She dashed to school today. The correct option is B, isn't going. She isn't going to school today. Question 24. Dash your friends playing outside now. The correct option is C, are. Are your friends playing outside now? Question 25. I dash the answers right now. The correct option is C, am writing. I am writing the answers right now. That's it for today's video. I hope that you learned something new. I'll see you next time. Bye.